Hi, this is attorney Nicole Christie from the Christie Law Firm, where we work hard to make families stronger. And today I want to talk to you again in our series regarding DCF and the family court. And so we have seen DCF play a critical role in the family court. They're not a party to the case, but still they can have some influence. So one of the things that we have seen is when DCF has an open investigation with a family and there is an actual court hearing going on, or there's a modification, or there's a custody issue that needs to be established and DCF is involved, it does have an impact on the family court. And one of the things that the family court may do is stop everything until DCF is finished with their investigation. And so that is really important to know, because there are times when people don't want to cooperate with DCF, and to some extent that is your right to do so, but there's always a consequence, or there could be a consequence, I should say, to doing so. But if DCF is involved and you have a court matter regarding a custody or even a modification or anything that could change where the kids end up living or what visitation is like, you need to know that DCF's report will make a difference to the court. It could make a difference with family relations. And so what we have seen is that if there is an open investigation, they want to know the outcome. Will DCF close the case? Will DCF keep the case open? Will DCF file neglect petitions? What is DCF going to do? So just know that an investigation could impact, it could slow things down, or it could change the mindset of the court or mindset of the other parties involved. I often recommend to people to keep that in mind when dealing with DCF. Getting a good report from DCF is very helpful when dealing with family court or even criminal court. So keep that in mind. Yes, you have your rights when dealing with DCF, but at the same time, if you're, in a custody matter and you're dealing with, people who are having difference of opinion as to what should happen with the children, DCF gets to weigh in on that, even though they're not parties to the case. Their report of who is the safer parent or who's the more appropriate parent could impact your case. So when dealing with them, regardless if you're parent 1 or 2, just make sure that you keep in mind that dealing with them and trying to cooperate with them as best as possible is helpful. We as attorneys would say definitely contact us when dealing with DCF if you have a family matter. We actually can cover and do both matters for you, mainly because things that you say to DCF, again, still could be used against you or misconstrued in a way that's not helpful. Sometimes their assessments are subjective, so it depends on who presents better to them or who presents more cooperative to them. So keep all of those things in mind if you have an open investigation and also an ongoing custody matter in family court. Again, don't hesitate to contact our office. We do help and assist individuals with both types of matters. We have attorneys who can handle both types of matters. So it's wonderful to keep that all in-house, and we can be there to support you through that process and give you more information. So again, keep in mind that DCF investigations need to end well if it's going to have a positive impact on your custody matter. Again, take care.